Every single secret we provide about making money online is one you need to know. Do you know people who make money online? Do you wonder how they do it? If so, you are not alone. Lots of people are trying to figure out how to make the most of their online activity. This video will provide some excellent suggestions to help you begin your online endeavors. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Before you can make any online income, you've got to decide what your niche will be. Is writing something you succeed at? Present yourself as a writer of SEO content. Are you good at making graphics? You can get hired to develop website and promotional materials. If you want to succeed, know thyself. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. You can be among those who profit from working online. Use the ideas that were just presented to you. Soon, you will discover that you are able to make a steady income. Start with the suggestions that are the easiest and build your way up to working on all kinds of tasks. Student loan,